going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, a lot better quality camera for the face cam now. Today we're going to be giving away the 7-inch SimHub compatible DDU, so stay tuned. Alright, so before we give this thing away, I'm going to go ahead and show you here. We started in Fusion 360 to make this design. As we go through the process here of making the DDU case for the screen. As you can see, it's a pretty simple design, just carefully calculated as the screen is slightly offset. The bezel is a different size on either side, so I did have to account for that. That's what you're seeing right here in this clip. So, and then I'm just cutting out the edges on where it needs to be. But again, if you want any information about Fusion 360, I have basically taught myself how to use it just off some YouTube videos and just a pair of digital calipers, and that's very helpful, and that's how I've done it. I've had awesome success so far. Alright, so we're just finishing up here. We're going to transition over to start printing. This printer is a Voron 2.4 350mm variant. This was built by me to what specification I wanted. Still have some modifications I want to make to this printer. If you want to see a video on that, make sure you smash the like button, throw me a comment, say, hey man, I want to see some more 3D printer content. Alright, so the back part is just finishing up here. You can see the last couple layers, and we're going to transition into printing the front piece. So here we go on the front. Again, like I said, if you want to see more of this 3D printing content, make sure you smash the like button, throw a comment in there, say, hey man, again, I want to see some more of that 3D printer stuff. Or if you want to see me design some more sim racing stuff, I know I got a couple people that have reached out to me already to design some stuff that I will be working close with, and I will be sharing some of that stuff on YouTube as well. So stay tuned for that. Alright, so we're just finishing up the front piece of the DDU here, and it's going to transition into the assembly portion. It's just 6 M3 bolts, a 7-inch HDMI screen from Big Tree Tech, and it's just a press fit. It fits perfectly, looks really good, and it's compatible with SimHub. Alright, so if you've made it this far in the video, you're probably wondering who has won this thing. And not so fast, we'll get to it. I do want to go over a couple things beforehand. If you do want a screen and you didn't win, get a hold of me. I'm more than happy to make one for you. This was like a promotion. They're not going to be free. They're going to be under $100. You will have to pay shipping. I apologize for that. I am, giving one up to a lucky viewer for nothing, so that's pretty awesome for that viewer. I do have the name. I'm not giving it yet. Listen, if you guys like this type of content where I make something and I give it away, make sure you smash the like button, comment, subscribe. I do appreciate all those outlets. Also, if you want to see something made, just reach out to me. I'm more than happy to give it a go. Actually working with a viewer right now to make it's practically a whole dash, so stick around for that. I'll be showcasing that a little bit on the channel as well. So again, I thank you all for watching, and can we get a drum roll please? And the winner of this 7-inch SimHub DDU is Marc Gaming 86. Make sure you get a hold of me, Mark. I'll be happy to send this thing out to you free of charge. It's all yours, buddy. Again, just make sure you contact me. We'll get it out to you. I want to thank everybody for participating this far. We will have some more giveaways. Make sure you stay tuned for those. We are going to put a goal on the next one. I do want to hit 100 subscribers before we go to the next giveaway. So let's hit that number. All right, before I wrap up the video, I want to congratulate Marc Gaming 86 on winning that 7-inch SimHub compatible DDU. I also wanted to showcase something that I've been working on, and you might have saw it on the short the other day, but this is a 12.3 DDU. It has RPM lights across the top and flaggers across the bottom, or I'm sorry, across the sides. I do have some adjustments I want to make to this, but this is coming soon. Maybe we'll give it away. We're going to need more than 100 subscribers to give this away though, so make sure you stay tuned for that. You can see this is like a partial build right now. I've only been doing testing at the moment, but again, it's an awesome screen. It's going to be really awesome for a POV sim. Most people it's going to be too big, but it looks beautiful when it's running. Anyways, as always, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate every one of you. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We got more giveaways coming soon. You're not going to want to miss them. And week 1, season 1, 2026, iRacing starts right now.